If you want to build safer bets without risking your whole balance, double chance might be the smartest market you're ignoring. In this video, I'll show you how to use it the right way. So guys, we'll be focusing on the La Liga, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Barcelona versus Girona. So checking the table, right? The La Liga table. As you're checking, we can see that Barcelona is number 2, which tells us that Barcelona is performing very well. And as you're checking Girona FC, we can see that Girona is number 12 and really struggling a little bit, but it's still trying to get into the top 10. But yeah, you can see that the performing team is Barcelona. So guys, right now I'll be checking the last 5 matches, right? So yeah guys, as you can see here on 23, 12, 10, we can see that our market worked, guys. The reason I'm saying this is that we are focusing on the double chance, right? And we'll be saying Barcelona or Girona to win, which is a win-win. And here we can see that Girona won the match 4-2. So guys, we all saw that on the table, Barcelona is performing well. The reason we're checking the table and also the last 5 matches is to see whether which team is performing very well. But sometimes we have to check the last 5 matches of each of the teams of which will be playing against each other, but not the last 5 matches of the teams of which we are playing together. No, they were playing with other teams to see how they are really performing this season. Because teams perform differently, right? As we are checking, Barcelona is performing well this season. And here, that season of which we are checking right now, the first match, we can see that Girona was performing well, like Girona was in its primes. Yeah, because you can see 4-2, that's not luck. 4-2 is not luck. So yeah guys, let's see on the next match whether it was luck or not. On 24/05/04, we can see that the market of which we're talking about worked again. So the reason it worked again, guys, just that Girona's performing well. It's got the same 4-2, right? This means that Girona was performing well in the last season. I'm not sure this is like the previous seasons, Girona was performing well, because you can see here they beat Barcelona twice, right? It shows that it's not like Girona was performing well, but those are the kind of things of which you should check before placing a bet. How is the team performing in the current season, right? So you can know whether you should place that bet or not, or go look for the other teams. So yeah, besides that, we can see that our market worked. Moving on the third match on 24/09/15. We can see that our market worked, guys. Barcelona won. See, Barcelona starting to perform well, and Barcelona won. That's why we chose the double chance for a safer bet, because we don't know whether this team might win or the other team might win. That's why we say Barcelona or Girona to win. So our market worked here on 25/03/13. We can all see that our market worked again. Our market worked again, guys. It really worked. And we can see that Barcelona is performing well this season because it won the last match and the other match. Because, guys, you should note this. Every season, let me say, for an example, here, Girona will play with Barcelona twice. So here, let's check in the last 2 matches, right? We can see that season Barcelona was performing well, and the previous season Girona was performing well because it won twice. So those are the kind of things of which you should check and mind yourself, right? So yeah, here as you're checking the current season of which they are playing right now, moving on the next match on 25/10/18. We can see that our market worked, guys. The reason our market worked is because Barcelona won. And this shows us that this is the recent match of which they played together, and the performance of which they are projecting that, okay, Barcelona is performing well 2-1. They can show us that, okay, Barcelona is not performing well this season. So yeah, they might win or draw. But here you can see that Barcelona won, guys. Barcelona won. And our market work, guys. That's why we didn't choose the draw. We choose the double chance for a safer bet. Safer bet. So yeah, guys. As I told you, right now we'll be checking the expected outcome, because what's the reason for me to show you the last 5 matches and not show you how they performed in the recent match, whether what I'm talking about is really true or not, or it works or not. So yeah, guys, right now we'll be checking the match or the results of which they had in their recent match or latest match. So yeah, guys, as you can see this, Girona won the match. Girona won the match 2-1. And what I was talking about, the double chances, I said, safer bet. You never know. This team might win or that team might win, but we know that one of them is going to win. So here we saw that Girona won, right? Girona won. So, oh my God, what, guys? So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.